Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So today I am going to clean out my tub, you guys, with my little thing I have right here. I haven't used it yet. My son used it. He said it works amazing. So I am going to try it. I'm going to use this right here. I'm going to sprinkle it in the tub. I'm going to show you my tub first because it is dirty. I have the mat inside of the tub, the bath mat, the slip resistant mat, which I don't think I'm putting it back in there because it smells. I just prefer not to use it anymore. It's just me use this bathroom, so I should be fine. If I break my neck, it's on me. But yeah, so I am going to clean out my tub, and also, like I said, it is dirty because of that mat, and also because it's not draining properly. Because when I wash my own hair, it seems to get clogged up in the shower or whatever, and I need to go to the store to get some drainer, which I haven't made it out yet. So I'm just going to use what I got and get it clean and show you guys if it works or not, if it's worth spending your money on. So yeah, if you're interested in watching this video, stay tuned. So hey you guys, this is a tub. I told you it is dirty, so I'm kind of embarrassed to show you guys, but this is real life, you guys, and I'm just going to show you what I'm working with, and I'm going to pour the Ajax down in the tub, and let's see how it works. I have to figure out how I'm going to, because I have glass doors, so I need to get in here and see exactly how this is going to work so that you guys can see. So I'll just do the front. I never use this stuff, y'all, only because I hate getting down in and scrubbing it out. But yeah, I need to put on a mask because this is kind of strong. And oh yeah, I'll be right back. So yeah, you guys, so I put a mask on because this stuff is really, really strong, and I have problems with my lungs already. So I'm just going to keep this on. I'm going to speed it up, and we're going to see how good this thing can work. Okay.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one
You
thing.
can see it's still draining because it's draining very, very slow. So we'll see how well it does.
Pavement, yeah, yeah. No sleep in my body. Last night got me wasted.
Okay guys, so I am back and it is clean. Okay. Let me see. I left it in there because I want to dry it with a towel, because I read in a lot of reviews that after a while it gets really rusty. So I want to clean it myself. I want to dry it on the outside and around the sponge. But overall, you guys, it works well. The only con that I have with it is that the pole part of it, every now and then it'll come loose. And I also read that the reviews that it does loosen up from time to time, but overall it works good. For that, it was good because I did have a mess in my shower. Look at my little ring light, y'all. That's my little ring light that my foreman bought me at my job. It's super cute. So yeah, y'all. Let me see. But yeah, it's a goal for me. I would definitely use it again, and I am gonna purchase one for my mom. I didn't buy that one. My son bought that one. Yeah, that's about it. So I'm going to use the other product that I had in my bathroom. I'm going to use this where it's a lot of hair at. And mostly it's a lot of hair in my bathroom. Around back there. So I am going to sweep. But yeah, you guys, yeah, I would definitely purchase it. It's worth the purchase. It's not that much. It was only $13, I think, when I look back on the when my son sent me the link. It was $13. So that's not bad, you know, for someone who has a bad back or somebody who just don't want to get down on their hands and knees like me and clean out the tub. Because I was really going to get me a maid, y'all. Like, I was going to get me a maid to come here. I'm so ashamed. I might not even put this in the, I might edit that out. Because that's lazy. But, yeah. So,
About my needs. Ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure I get home safe and sound. Yeah, I'm pretty sure if I fall down and don't get up, nobody would care. Yeah, don't wanna be alone anymore, so I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked.
yeah, so that right there, yeah, I don't really like this. It feels so weak and fragile. So if you do it too hard, I feel like it's gonna bend. If you do it too light, I feel like it's not working. So yeah, I don't care for this. That's why it only took me a second to do that, because I thought it was gonna break. So it's really not very sturdy. And everything is clicked in. See, this is what it looks like. It clicks in and it's all clicked in. So like, I don't know why it's so weak. I don't know. But yeah, this is. So I'd rather get down there and wipe those myself, and that is what I will do later. But in the meantime, in the meantime, y'all know what I'm talking about. Yeah, we just gonna stick to that little bath buddy thing. I like that one. So yeah, I'm just gonna wipe that clean. I don't want it to get rusty, because it's, like I said in the reviews, a lot of people say that it gets rusty. So I'm just gonna wipe that off, dry it really good. Well, yeah, that's it. And you guys, I hope you all have a happy new year. Don't forget to put your black eyed peas on if you believe in that. I don't know how true it is, but I'm gonna make me some. I'll probably record that later, but I'm gonna try to upload. I'm gonna edit this and upload this so it can post tomorrow. And then, so you guys have a happy new year. Y'all be safe. Wear your mask if you're going out. Be careful, y'all. Go into the new year with a clean heart, you guys, which I plan on doing. I don't do New Year's resolution, but I do plan on going into the New Year's with a clean heart. So yeah, you guys, that's about it. And I hope you all have a great night, day, whatever time of day you're watching this. From my family to yours, Happy New Year's.